Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Vivo X200. Okay, so let's begin. So first we need to go straight into our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and from there go into settings. Now we need to look for the chats, and now scroll down until you find the chat backup. Okay, in the Google account simply select your Google account, and on this account the backup will be saved, so you can't forget it. Otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup in the future. And if you don't want to use this account, you can simply click on add. In here type your email or phone number, then click next, or if you don't have Google account, simply click on create and then follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so once it's done, below we have something called the automatic backups. By the default it will be set on off. Also you have the options such as daily, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup. So let's say I'll pick the weekly mode, so from now on each week the backup will be automatically made without my knowledge. Actually, I know about it, but I don't need to do it by myself. The app will do it for me automatically. Okay, also below you can enable to include videos in your backup, and on the bottom also we have something called end-to-end encrypted backup. If you want, you can turn it on. Basically here you will create a unique password which you will need to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so once everything is done, all we need to do now is to click on this green button, backup. Now let's wait until the process is finished. It shouldn't take much time. Okay, also above we have the size of the backup and on what hour it was made. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.